When you first build a site with Content Activator, it's easy to get started with a theme. With just one click, you can select the entire design for your site. Content Activator also has some very powerful features to style every page and block of your site in incredibly unique ways. Let's go through the process of customizing your design. Starting out, I'm going to select the site I want to customize. From the site home screen, let's preview this site. Going back to the Content Activator application, let's start by accessing the Settings section from the site home screen. I can also access this from the Settings section in my navigation. Then let's click Customize Theme. Within Customize Theme, we can preview the site on multiple devices. We can also access many different customization options that allow me to style sections across my entire site. Starting with the site navigation, let's move it to a different section on the site. We can preview it on the left side instead of on the top. You can immediately see how it will look. After seeing this, I think we should just leave it where it is, so let's put it back on top of the page. Now let's update the background's navigation color. Let's change it to dark gray. Looking at the sections of this site, I think we should change the fonts on the page. Starting with the block titles, let's pick a different font. It's currently set to Lato. We can view a huge selection of thousands of fonts from Google Fonts and Typekit, as well as standard web fonts. I really like this Roboto font. I want to select the 100 weight of this font. Okay, now that all our titles are set, let's also update the font used in all the body text areas in each block. It's also currently set to Lato. Let's change this to another version of Roboto. I'm going to select the 500 weight. Just like that, all fonts across the entire site have been updated. There's a number of site-wide customization options available to all sites. You can keep customizing and change absolutely everything you want to. But let's say that I want to update just one specific block on my site and not the entire site. To do this, we need to go into that specific block. Within the Pages section, we need to select the page that the block is in. Then we need to select that block. I want to customize the social sharing block, so let's select it. Within this block, let's give it a different background color. Let's select green. Then we need to add more padding to this block. Let's set that to big. I'm going to add a title to this section. Although the global font is gray, it doesn't look as good in this section. I want to give it a black title. Okay, it's time to preview this block. Now we can see that we've changed the navigation to have a gray background. We changed title and body text fonts on the site, as well as the customized social sharing block. There's much more customizing that we could do to this site, but the important thing to remember is that in your site settings section, it will control your site-wide design settings, and within individual blocks on your pages, you can customize just that one block.